Hi everybody, welcome back. I am doing, I think this is number 12 of my birthday giveaway entries, and this is the last one. So I'm excited. So let's get into this. I'll definitely be saving these stamps. Look how cute that is. But this is from Cindy A. Lewis. And let's take, oh, look at that. Oh, it's a little shaker. That's cool. I like that. And there's like a little bit of shimmer. I don't know if y'all can see that. Celebrate. I love it. Oh, wishing you the best birthday, and 2026 will be amazing. Awesome. Thank you. Oh, that's so cute. Birthday joy. I love that. I'll have to set that up here on my desk. I love it. Love it. And then we have some little goodies in here. I like this little, kind of like a deli bag almost. Not as cool. Oh, what is this? Oh, how pretty. Aw, you didn't need to do that, Cindy. Oh, I love that these stamps though. I like the little butterflies in them too. That's very cool. Thank you so much. That's awesome. And we have, oh, some of these cute little, here's our ATC. It's called Frosted Elegance. Ooh, I love that she has a title for them. That's cool. I don't think I've seen that before. And there's her P.O. box and everything. Nice. That's really cool. And then oh, look at this cluster. That is so pretty. Simple Joy. I love these blues. So pretty. That was, she did like a whole series with these really pretty winter blues. What did it say? What did she call it? Frosted Elegance. Yeah. And another cute little deli with some deli bag with some, that looks like Michigan, doesn't it? I like these stickers. How fun. Cute. I like these colors too. Let's start the journey. Oh, very cool. Awesome. Well, thank you very much, Cindy. I appreciate that so much. It's very sweet of you. And I then am going to come back probably tomorrow, and I'll pick a winner from all of the birthday entries, or two winners, I should say. And so good luck to you, Cindy, and good luck to all the other folks who have entered. So I'll pick two winners, one for a $75 gift card and another for $50 gift card. And then also come back, because I'm then going to take all of the sweet little makes that I received, and I'm going to put them in a journal so we can kind of do some journaling together, and we'll have all these together so I can, kind of have a little keepsake of all the different entries that I received. So yes, definitely make sure to come back for that, and I'll mention that again tomorrow as well. And I'm going to be doing another kind of fun little collaboration probably in February. So I'll do an announcement with that, and I hope y'all are interested in participating in that. So more details to come on that. But again, thank you so much, Cindy, and I will see you all in the next video. Such fun goodies to play with. All right, y'all have a good evening. Bye.